So we talked a little bit about this yesterday, the latitude of the storm. The Earth is kind of gridded up in latitude lines which run from left to right and longitude lines that run north to south. And most of the time we don't pay attention to it. GPS uses it, and you really never see those numbers. But we used to plot on these maps the latitude and longitude before, the internet and smartphones and things like that, computers. We would just hand plot them. But we pay attention to the latitude number when it involves us. Now, this is an extrapolation of where the storm would have been in 2 days overnight last night. And then where the storm would have been in 2 days early this morning. And then late this morning where it would be in 2 days there. And now where it would be if it didn't turn at all, if it just kept going at its present speed and direction in 2 days. I think the next time this updates, a little bit later this afternoon, it's going to be pointing more over here. So that's the direction, and this line's getting shorter as the storm is slowing down. That line's going to continue to shrink too. We don't want that line pointed at us. We want that line staying pointed north at us. It may come close to us, but we don't want it pointing down here. We don't want it pointing down there. We certainly don't want it pointing south of us. That's the 25, thick black line here. That's 25 north. That's where the storm is right now. We live at 26 north here, Miami-Dade and Broward, the Keys, basically south of 25. And 27, that's the next number up there. That's even north of Palm Beach. So we're going to say, let's shoot for this number 27 here. That would be good. I don't know if we're going to get there. The storm may come in on 26 here, and that's going to be something that means we're going to have to watch it closely. Right now, though, it's at 25. Remember yesterday when we talked about this, it was around 21, so it's come up a lot, but we want it to keep going higher, indicating that the storm is continuing to gain latitude and getting farther north of us while still east of us. Winds 115 miles an hour, moving to the west-northwest at 9. The future track shows it turning, but it's turning very, very close to the 26, between 26 and 27, and forecast to intensify, where hurricane warnings are now in effect for the northwest Bahamas. That's the Sunday time frame, Sunday afternoon, Monday afternoon, Tuesday afternoon there, and now we start to see a little bit of a hint that it's going to make a turn to the north. And once again, how sharp that turn is and how far west the storm gets is all going to play a role in how much of the peninsula, or if not the peninsula, the coast, gets impacted. So the steering currents are evolving. Of course, we have the blocking high that's now in control. That's what's turning it to the west, and the blocking high remains in control. That's Saturday. There we are Sunday afternoon. But watch now, the blocking high is pulling away, and a new break is opening up. Opportunity to go north, and so the storm gets close to the coast, but does it go north earlier in response to the block or a little bit later? Lots of possibilities there, and that's why we need to watch it closely, because it's not guaranteed that it's not going to reach the land first. So in terms of preparations, we're doing them, and in terms of the weather, we need good weather. With more on that, here's Jennifer.
Yeah, so we have to worry about the weather, what's happening now and what's going to happen the next few days as we're prepping out there. So far, it's pretty quiet out there, except there are showers rolling in from the Atlantic. And right now, there is a thunderstorm moving over the Middle Keys and the 7 Mile Bridge. But we do expect more of these passing showers and thunderstorms to come through later on tonight. But this is a beautiful live view out of the Windjammer Resort camera. So there's some sunshine. Notice it's also breezy. The winds are up around 15 miles per hour. And the reason why we're dealing with the showers and thunderstorms, you notice on this water vapor imagery, the green bubbling up, that's actually associated with a trough of low pressure. It has nothing to do with Dorian. This is separate from Dorian. So that's why we're dealing with scattered showers and thunderstorms through tonight and again into tomorrow. We saw them this morning. Now lows tonight, 80 degrees, 92 tomorrow. Let's go ahead and take a look at that 7-day forecast. So this is how it's going to play out for tomorrow. Showers and storms. Sunday morning preps possible. They should be complete in the morning. Then Monday, Tuesday, windier conditions, weather possibly deteriorating. Of course, that depends on Dorian.